In this video, we're going to be talking about how to deactivate your Facebook account. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Facebook account. And now once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on the bottom right profile icon right over here. And then simply go ahead and tap on the settings or gear icon on the top. And now simply scroll all the way down until you go ahead and find your privacy settings. So let me just go ahead and show you. It is going to be right over here somewhere. So into my profile, into my settings, and then straight here into privacy settings. Or you could also simply go down here to settings and privacy, click on settings and click on see more in account center. And now once you've done that, click on personal detail, click on account ownership and control, and click on deactivation or deletion. Select your Facebook, and as you can see, you can deactivate or delete your account right over here. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.